Hey guys, yo, welcome back to Campus Vibe. And I'm going to send back Campus Vibe. But you're subscribe here and the panel subscribe here, man. Alright, guys, since you're going to see me, no, it's gonna have the birthday, no, you celebrate, man. Every now and then, no, go for person we be very extravagant. Now, you're sure, Auntie Biana, Nana Abana, my celebrating it there, and Nana Haja for real. I am Mona, and she's celebrating it there. I now celebrate a core party, and I say. Any can if ya any birthday present and not celebrating the birthday no boy say challenge for a cool me papa any more photo shoot and Ghana no do birthday never on your photo shoot I say so we've gone on into say Aqua no birthday no you celebrating no quietly you have to do something. A question naming ceremony you have to do something to show say okay on your wabobra. When na Akuapem Poloo, you never can Akuapem Poloo ya. Abayo say a friend saying Cardi B. Abayo ya or Cardi B twin sister and Cardi B twin sister na say or celebrating a birthday. Na ni bana or celebrating no. Picture Akuapem Poloo at the better one and Kofobi say na him fan na yakodri. Umehwe picture no. To say Akuapem Poloo abo antipe almost naked. Or the celebrating the banana in some for or throw or picture national or say, son, today reminds me of the very day I gave birth to you with no stress and with no regret. 30th June 2013 exactly 4:46 a.m. Sunday, haha. I still remember this date because it really meant a lot to me. I only felt the 30 minutes pain when you were turning to come out. You were so good to me. I gave birth with no complication, no ability. Haha, I love my son. You see how you looking at me? Always remember that I love you. I'm naked in front of you because this is how naked I was giving birth to you. In case you find me naked lying somewhere, don't pass by me, but rather see me as your mom who brought you to life. Happy birthday, Akuapem Poloo. According to Akuapem Poloo, a message na or the man the babe man no say oh no a naked. Inti say oni no be hu say Akuapem Poloo aron ho eda baby a ma onja no sa na onhwe na mo nja ne sha na onhwe ne so ono ankasa ne maame a ode ne ba reaction. So for Akuapem Poloo, that's the message behind the whole photography now.
I don't know how to start it, but first of all I'll say a big thanks to God for everything and how far He has brought me, and I want to say a big thanks to my fans. I realize I have a faithful, lovely fans. For the past, I can say from Monday, so I will say from the past 5 days now, I was facing a lot, physically and spiritually, but I know God have reason for anything that happens. Thank you so much, my fans. Those who called my business phone, you people did well so much. I love you guys. The love you people show me, only God knows. Thank you. The calls was too much. Most of you will call in, it's my mom who will pick. Most of you will call in, it's my PA who will pick. God bless you guys. As you can see that I'm really facing a lot. I'm really going through a lot, but God is in control. I saw all the news, even on Oprah News. They said I'm missing and police are looking for me. I'm sorry to put you guys in this pain and to let you guys miss me this much. Thank you all the bloggers who called me on my business phone to check up on me. God bless you. Thank you so much, Mommy, those co-celebrating. Mommy, I'm sorry to put you in pain. I'm so sorry, those co-celebrating. Thank you all my friends who were able to contact me to check on how I'm doing. Thank you, my loved ones. Thank you, everyone. God's grace, I'm overcoming whatever I'm going through. I'm so fine. God is in control. I know I've never been off social media for this long. Since I came on Instagram, I post each and every day. I can even post 4 times a day. I'm sorry for you guys. Sorry for letting you miss me this much. I miss you guys too. I miss you so much. Everything will be fine. I'm here with you guys. But you know, sometimes you need to solve personal issues. That took me away. I love you. I love you guys. I saw all the news going around on Facebook, YouTube, Oprah, everywhere. Thank you. I love you guys. Thanks for showing me this love. Kiss, kiss. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. Everything will be okay. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for checking up on me. I'm sorry to put you in stress. Worry about me. And I know you love me. Kiss, kiss.
It's when I go for being sure and show more comment and plantation chief I say even on her son's birthday she wants all the attention drawn on herself. Women are scam. And I went to the bed to her say I was like, Poloo, you again until I read the caption. May he put smiles into your face, boy. Mom loves you. At first, when I saw the post, I was like Shaggy Poloo. Not until I read the caption, and it's so touching now. I'm crying. Happy birthday, handsome. Wish you all the best in life. And I say you should have made him go naked too because he also came out naked. LOL. Happy birthday, son. You've got the cutest mom. And Mama said the tension better. She said, why didn't you naked your son? And Akuapem Poloo Goes replied, say, go and watch your father's that's bigger foolishness. And I went to the bed to her, I say, happy birthday to your son. But this photo shoot doesn't make sense. Tomorrow, if your son stands out to touch your boobs, you will start beating him. It doesn't make sense. This brand doesn't make sense.
My name is Matilda Akatuba. And I'm Odiemefa. And keep watching Campus Vibe GH.
Eradin Shroud na Eradin Koso and Yokasi, Media the major prophet Kum Chacha. Unim Bibi and say social media no adoption and YouTube adoption. So I say, Obia or baby I wash. But me prophet Kum Chacha, the mention baby o baby bako pe and a meshe. Baby a meshe no a campus vab GH. Also bombarding necessary baby a no.
So when I'm come power, I will do I say I'll create everybody account. Everybody I'll create them account in their mobile money. So when there is a month, you will see your money will come into your account. Every month you will get your salary. Every Ghanaian. I'm telling you, mobile money. I will create you a mobile money account so that every month, if it's your young boy or young man or old woman, I'll create you a mobile money account so that if there is a month, if a month come, then you will see that your pay has come. You didn't work. I'll pay them. It is inside constitution. They should have pay us every day 1 cedi. Seriously, I will let you quote the constitution for you. I'll quote you the article. They say every day they are giving us 1 cedi, which that is youth employment. Oh, it's inside which these MPs constitutions. This in legislature. Legislature.